So the small section over here is going to be where the leasing office is going to be, where all that lumber is right now. Yeah, so this is going to be the main entrance in the community section of the main building itself. And the back room over here is where the community room will be for functioning and meetings for the tenants. All exposed beams and rafters in here. So there's some old verbiage and some signage that was painted on the building. There's numerous locations that we're going to try to keep for historical society. All the windows and sashes are going to be fixed shut, but all of the windows are going to be fixed shut, reglazed and sealed, active shutters for privacy and for hurricane protection. Door system, garage door looking system will stay exposed in the hallway. We'll have a fire rated wall on the other side for the stairwell. So all those ceilings in the living room spaces will have the old existing beadboard, wood beadboard ceilings reinstalled. So you'll have sheetrock in some corridors, but the old look of the beadboard will be back for historical purposes. So this old garage door looking system was in this old office at one point, and it will be exposed in the unit and finished and secured off on the other side, separating the two. So most of the main features are going to be the old gallery windows, shutters, and the floors will be refurbished along with the beadboard wood ceilings. That's going to be what's going to carry over architecturally from the historical side. Small transom windows are going to be refurbished and fixed shut and sealed for the aesthetics of the historical look on the outside. So I don't know if this is a new one. This doesn't, I don't think it's 18. But see these old dates that are on here, 86, 10. There's some really older ones in here, 1931, 1922. So people have signed and autographed the wall. 1922. So for historical purposes, all these names and signatures are going to have to stay. We can't paint over them. We're going to keep them sealed and secure for a time, kind of like a time capsule.